The truth about the Fulani thing is that I will not support the saying all Fulani should locate from different parts of the country. But there is one truth. An average Igbo man will come to Lagos, for instance, rent a house, pay for rent, rent a shop, pay for rent. Then in the shop he starts doing his business, he prospers, he pays his tax. Now, the Fulanis don't pay tax to Nigeria. Let's be honest with ourselves. How many Fulani headsmen pays tax? No one. And let us tell ourselves this truth is certain. Tell the Fulanis they are welcome anywhere in Nigeria, but they must register their presence. They must live amongst the people. They should rent houses. They should rent the land that they want to use for their cattle ranching. They should rent. They don't make anybody feel stupid. Don't make see. Every state can say you should leave their state because you are not of any economic importance. We give you money, we buy meat from you. You still go to our farmlands, you destroy our farmlands, and you pass by. As a matter of fact, because you don't have any stake, you still invite your brothers to come and kill us. Haba. Truth, no, they don't know that they hide truth. I beg. Every Fulani man that wants to live anywhere in Nigeria is welcome. So long as the person will go and rent a house, rent the ranch, and start doing his business. It's a profiting business, so they should do the business, pay tax, put their money in banks. People should monitor their source of income. But if an economy like America cannot accept that, then you have to streamline your source of income. Let's know how it's coming. And let's be honest with ourselves. The truth needs to be told. No matter whose ox is God, no matter who feels bad, that the president is a Fulani, is immaterial. That several other persons are Fulanis in the government are immaterial. Let's get, if you want Nigeria, let Nigeria be run as Nigeria. Every Fulani man who wants to live anywhere in Nigeria should live anywhere they want to live, so long as they go and rent houses amongst people. So when they even invite people, their brothers to come and kill, they'll kill them too. Let them rent houses amongst us, or build the houses, or even rent those places they take their farmlands. Buy grasses. You can't come from your dry land, come to the hinterland. You don't pay for anything. You don't even pay tax to the government, and you want people to accept it. We can't accept it. It's wrong. What is wrong is wrong. Tell your people, they are all Nigerians too. Tell your people that they should also become economically viable. They should help the economy of this country by renting apartments, renting houses, by paying rent, renting land for their ranching. Very important, very important, very important, very, very important. Please, His Excellency, make this thing known to your people. It is very, very important. They should start paying taxes.